And following that standoff yesterday, a new report is shedding light on how well Oklahoma City police respond to mental health calls. News 9 Storm Jones is looking at the numbers.
Oklahoma City police say in a new report the number of mental health calls their officers are responding to is actually going down, although they say that number will likely never be zero.
Oklahoma City is very innovative in what we're doing.
That new report shows a 27% drop in the number of times police were dispatched to mental health calls, with nearly 500 calls being transferred from 911 to mental health professionals in the first 5 months of the year.
I credit a lot of that to 988 and the fact that people out there now have an alternative. And even if they are calling 911, if we're able to transfer that call or hand that off to 988.
Gourley says in the past, state law and a lack of funding have held up mental health efforts.
For example, police officers were the only one that could transport a mental health consumer to a facility, and it was that way up until I believe 2022 is when the law finally changed to get us out of that business.
With the approval of a new city budget, the Oklahoma City Fire Department set to bring online a new 20-member crisis response team staffed by paramedics and behavioral health professionals.
All of us coming together to try and limit the amount of times that police officers respond to mental health.
The city also beginning to place mental health professionals in 911 call centers. Gourley says while the city is on the right path, there will always be cases that require police intervention.
Law enforcement is always going to have a role there, especially in those instances where the individual may be violent or armed or something like that.
And we've posted that full report in this story on news9.com. At police headquarters, Storm Jones, Oklahoma's own News 9.